Ethernet network cable segments implemented with the use of twisted copper pair cabling typically covers a maximum distance of what? We have 33 meters, 55 meters, 100 meters, and 200 meters. I'm just going to tell you 33 meters is too short for any kind of standard cable. Now, let's talk about 55 meters. In some things, you will find 55 meters. One notable is Cat 6. So 55 meters is the length that you will get 10 gigabit per second in Cat 6. Cat 6A can do 10 gigabit per second over 100 meters. So that's what the 55 might be referencing to. Now, a typical network cable standard, fully supported, will be 100 meters. 200 meters is too far without any kind of switch or repeater in the middle to repeat the signal. 100 meters is the standard length for any kind of cable run. So when you have any Ethernet network cable, whether it be Cat 5, Cat 5e, Cat 6, Cat 6a, the longest you'll usually get in a roll will be 100 meters. And that's twisted copper pair cabling. That's the standard. You can always use a switcher repeater to plug it in on one side, plug it in, and keep going. But the standard will be that 100 meters. Now, this is pretty cool. If you have Cat 5, you can do 1 gigabit per second over a short distance. However, the whole 100 meters, it's only rated for 100 megabits per second, not 1,000 megabits per second or 1 gigabit per second. Kind of similar to the Cat 6, but that's just a fun little thing.